Soundoftristate, and today we installed a remote start on a 2018 Honda Civic. This is a manual transmission, so this video will be on showing you how to do what we call takeover. First of all, the engine must be running when you pull up to your destination. The engine is still running, and then the vehicle itself must be in neutral. So we're going to have your foot on the brake. The vehicle's in neutral. You're going to be applying the foot brake. Take your foot off the brake. You're going to be pressing any keypad, any button on the keypad. You're going to wait a few seconds. Take the key out. Once you take the key out, the car is in reservation mode. You're going to exit the vehicle. Then at that time, you're going to press the lock button on your keypad or to lock your doors. So in order to remote start it, you're just going to be wherever you are. You're going to press the remote start button. Vehicle starts up. Vehicle is running, heat and air conditioning, or your settings are applied, it's on. You're going to enter the vehicle, walk up to the car, you're going to press your unlock button, you're going to get into the car. Then you're going to stick the key back in the ignition. Turn it normally 2 clicks, and then you just want to drive off. Once you drive off, the vehicle stays running. Thanks again.